Yo, what's up guys? It's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about something really cool. Not really cool, I felt this was well, I thought it would be a good video to make. So I'm gonna make this video short and I'm gonna talk about my old PS3 that I had home and all the details that it has in place. So now that we have the PS5 on markets, this isn't something that's gonna be that fascinating. But I think since it has the transparent glass finish, you can see everything inside, which is really cool in my thinking. And you also can have this completely light on, and when you're playing in the dark, you just have it all bright in your hands. Anyways, let's get directly into the video. All I wanted to say, showcase my special PS3, and yeah, it's completely transparent. As you can see, you have the battery, which is not changeable. You have the charger wire right here, and you have the boot on button and all the other regular PlayStation controls. So all that is there. Also, you have this, so the spinning vibrating motor for your game experience on each side. You also have tight screws which help keep the whole thing in place. And sadly, the battery isn't replaceable. You just stick with it. And yeah, you also have LED lights all the way around, so when you're playing, it's completely lit up. And you have, and talking about the joystick, it's still all responsive for maybe not as fast as today's controllers, but I feel like it was a special thing that I had home and I wanted to mention in one of my videos. So it's basically text, so it can be mentioned. Alright, tech evolves so fast, and this is a great example for it. Now we have the bigger, better controllers, included the PS5. These are small and compact. It looks good, and back then it was so futuristic and it was nice. It's still in working condition. I can plug it in and play with it. Well, that's gotta be it for this video, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.